So, afternoon everybody. I thought I'd just try something a little bit different today. I'm very aware I'm not that great on social media and creating content, so I thought this might be a little foray into it and see how it goes. This might be my first and last ever video, so enjoy while you can. I just thought I'd come on and really open a box of Mega Easter Fidgets from B&M. It's something I saw a few weeks ago and I thought it was quite intriguing. And every time we've tried to find any in B&M, they've all been sold out, so I think they fly off the shelves really quickly. And I just thought it'd be interesting to see what all the fuss was about. I think maybe it has something to do with the really reasonable price here, and the fact that you're getting 15 fidgets for that price is absolutely amazing. So I just thought I'd do a bit of a box reveal really and see what you get. So just have a little look with me. The box isn't massively big, which you'd expect really for the price. So the fidgets, they're actually, just let me rescue that one, sorry about that. Bring it back. It's actually quite impressive really. Let's have a look what you've got. So you've got some sort of jelly, tangly tube things that are really nice and stretchy and squishy, and they feel really nice actually, really nice and sort of rubbery and textured. You've got a little egg, which is empty, which is interesting, but I guess you can perhaps hide one of these little spiky balls in it or make it fun in any way you want. You've got a slinky type star, which yeah, I can pull apart. I was worried then it was going to break, but it's actually quite durable, and it gives you a little bit of a slinky effect, and that's a really nice, I like that, that's really nice sensory feedback. A bigger squishy tube, or one that you can stretch, so I guess there's some really stretchy tubes, which is really good. Ooh, now we like that. So this is one that you can stretch out and then push back together, but it makes a really nice noise as well, although I'm thinking that's quite a loud noise, so for those that don't like noise, maybe not quite so much, or for families, not quite so much, but I can imagine that would go down well with a lot of people. We have one that you can move in and out, so you can just click around, which is really quite nice. It's quite a nice clicky action that actually, and actually stays put, which is quite good. Then we've got the poppets, which are always really popular. I'm thinking this might be, oh yes, get the right way around. This is obviously a rabbit for Easter, very good, and we like a poppet, we do, so yeah, that will go down well, pressing them in and out, fabulous. There's also a poppet bracelet that goes around your wrist, that's got nice colourful poppers on, which always goes down well. Ooh, this is good. So this is not only one you can pop in and out, as you can see, you can actually spin the circle in the middle, and if you can see, it makes a really nice kaleidoscope effect. So it's, you've not only got the sensation of popping in and out, you've got the visual as well of it being nice. You've got one that I guess you can just carry around or have on your wrist, and again that's a little popper in and out, but that's a nice little colourful Easter chick, which is cute. And then you've got two bags of these, which, let's have a look, might as well open them. I can only assume, yes, a bit like marshmallowy type texture, very squishy, very stretchy, and very good if you just need that tactile feedback. But I should imagine these might well just get a little bit hairy if you get caught on the carpet or you drop them or whatever. But yeah, pointing case, yes. But they are really nice as well. So actual fact, I opened it thinking I wouldn't be overly impressed with what was inside the box, but you actually get really good value for money. All these bits and pieces for £4, you really can't complain at, and they all seem very nice, very well made and very durable, which is impressive. So there you go. Run, don't walk to B&M. Get your Easter Mega Fidget box. I'd really recommend it. If you come and see me in the meantime, you'll be able to get to try these all out, and keep your eye on my page because I do actually have one to give away in the not too distant future. So have a good afternoon everybody, and I'll see you again soon.